Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is go to Steam and then go to Geode Dash, go to Properties, go to Compatibility, force a specific Steam Play Compatibility tool, and select Proton 5.0. Close that, and then press Install on Geode Dash and install the game. Once that is done, you can run it once, and then it'll start to install Proton 5.0. Now that GD has a bunch of memories, you can close out of it, and then we can start installing MegaHack. So just go to Absolute's website, click on MegaHack V6 Pro, log in, and then click on download MegaHack View 6.3 Pro. Or if you want to, you can use the beta version. That also works. Once it's downloaded, go to the file manager, and in downloads, extract MegaHack. Okay. Once we're done with that, we're going to move this folder to Geode-Dash's Compact Data folder. And the way you do that is by opening up a terminal and doing the MegaHack V6 Pro patcher. That's the folder. And then we're going to move that to Steam/Steam. Now this directory might be different depending on the distro you're on, but Steam. And then we're going to do Steam apps and compact data, and then that's Geode-Dash's ID, and that's where we're going to put it. And then GFX and drive C and users, Steam user desktop. There. And now we can install it. So let's go to directory, and then we're going to go to common and Proton 5.0. And now this directory here is part of it. We're going to set to our compact data path. So we're going to do Steam data path, and that's going to be equal to that directory. And then, since we're in the Proton folder, we can directly do Proton to run the Proton application, run, and then the directory to the desktop. So that's this again. And then pfx /drive C /users /user desktop /MegaHack V6 MegaHack Pro.exe, and then press enter. Okay. This should go black for a second, or it might. And then you're gonna log into MegaHack V6. Okay. Now that you're logged in, we're gonna click on this button here and go to the directory. Make sure you're doing backslashes because the Wine file explorer does not like forward slashes. So /user /steam, and then go to the Geode-Dash directory. Like that. And press install and finish. And close this window and this one. And we can play Geode-Dash with MegaHack V6. And as you can see, it does work here. FPS bypass does work. I think all the other hacks work too. But yeah, thanks for watching and have fun.